Hello guys, this is me again, Huwan, and today I'm drawing Baby Ma from our Singing Monsters Dawn of Fire. Baby, it's a baby. And the continent. It's okay, it still sounds the same soon. Hello guys, no. Now I'm drawing the little textures on it. Then the mouth. Yeah, it's open. Oh, no. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Oh, seriously. Yeah, okay. Now I'm drawing the teeth. Then the other first. And then that, I don't know what it's called. And then what am I doing? I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Now I'm just tracing now. That was quick. That was only 20 seconds or something. Now I'm tracing the front. Yes, now the mouth. What? Who's that? Now the teeth, then the tongue. Yeah, now I'm not doing the sides, the edges. It's because I want to make it realistic. Oh wait, no, I'm coloring like this actually. Yeah, I'm just coloring the outside. Yeah, so that's the baby Ma. It's gonna take 1 minute or 70. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, green for Greece. Wait, what? No. Do you really have some baby moths that are 1,000 on your island? Yes or no? Okay. He said no or yes. Decide now! Okay, now not this. Oh, this is the perfect one. Yeah, now I'm doing this. Then coloring it in. Make it so nice. Dang, that took me 20 minutes to finish in real life. But you only got me to see that in a few minutes or something. Toon cap. Green. Now I'm using pink. Yeah. I'm just, pink. Light pink. Okay, now I'm using darker pink. Or is it? I'm confused. Yeah, that's a tongue color. Is that your color of your tongue? I'm having a question, yes or no? Just say they're neither left or, neither. Oh yeah, now I'm coloring in the mouth. I don't have anything. Yeah, do you have a tongue that's colored like that? Yeah. For me, no. Yeah, now I'm... What? Oh yeah, I forgot to color it in that. Then the tongue. Obviously. No, Okay. Now I'm... No, not this. Yeah, this one. And I'm done, guys. Oh wait, no, I'm not. Just coloring. And I'm coloring in. Then, okay, I'm good. I'm done. Bye guys, this is the end of drawing Baby Ma. See you in the next one. Bye. See you in the next one.